How to quick share file iOS and Xiaomi. On Xiaomi, enable interconnectivity. On iOS, open App Store, install Xiaomi interconnectivity app. Log into the Xiaomi interconnectivity app using the same Xiaomi account on Mi Phone. Connect two devices with the same Wi-Fi internet. Enable Xiaomi Share on Mi Phone. Select from this account. Now, it will transfer file from iOS to Xiaomi. Video 967 megabytes. Original file. Receiving file from iPhone. Transfer file from Xiaomi to iOS. Video 420 megabytes. Select Share button, then choose iOS device. Receiving video from Xiaomi. File from Xiaomi interconnectivity. With this app on App Store, you can quick share file from iOS to Xiaomi.